Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok private profile not working. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok private profile not working, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to the window of TikTok and you click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. You will find here clear data. Don't click here because that can make errors on your app. And after that, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.